Hello everyone. Those who are regular users and administrators of MS SQL Server, particularly who are new, they have faced the problems like there are not many tools to work with corrupted database or solve the various errors which I have written in the guide. Now, how to use this software? It is quite easy to use software. So when I have started this application, I got this message window. Okay, for this demo I am not showing you in details. uh, Here you will, if you want to recover the deleted records, then you can make this option checked, browse the location of the NDF file and click repair. You will create with two options. One is advanced scan and standard scan is recommended, so do not change to advanced scan. At least I do not change it. Okay, yes, it is done. And here there are not many options in the software. Here you can save the log file, and you can save the repaired file as MDF, as CSV, as HTML and XLS. If you save as CSV, then the location will open. Yeah, this is about how to use this software. Thank you for watching this video.